Hi, my name is Myri Townsend. I'm an HR professional, been in the profession for many years, and I love Shari Pheasant. Shari Pheasant has had a huge effect on my career over these years. Why? I have taken many different classes from her. She has been able to encourage, inspire creativity, confidence, and communication so that I can walk out into the professional world feeling confident. I've had the opportunity to chat with many people in the community who have worked with Shari Pheasant as well, and they have rave reviews. And a lot of these individuals are coming to her because they want to present themselves better. They want to know how to communicate better. They want to be able to show up with that confidence. Shari Pheasant has this amazing ability to drill down into that, expose it, illuminate it, and allow that client to shine in their profession. It's a no wonder that Shari Pheasant is the queen of horsepower.